Okay, so we're on another trip at the moment. This is what I do for a living. This is how I actually make my money. So I go around buying white goods that are broken. And today we are buying a dryer for $50. It's actually a bargain. So we just got to find the house number, which I won't say on camera. And it might be... No, we've gone too far. We're going to have to do a U-turn. So I've got a lot of dryer parts at home, so basically it's going to cost me technically nothing to fix this one, but realistically anywhere from 20 to 50 bucks it costs me to fix. Okay, so we're at number 23. Okay, so this is okay, so this is the house here, the dryer's there, so we're going to go pick up the dryer. And the customers come out, so we're just going to pause it for a second. This is the dryer here. I'm not sure if you can see that really well. It's pretty bright outside, but $50, that's just brand new plastic, so that'll come up brand new. And yeah, we'll probably be able to get $150 for that, because I don't like to overprice my items. And we'll show you how to repair it. By the feel of that dryer there, I can tell you straight away it's going to be a belt or a pulley problem. But we're going to find out once we get home. We're going to strip that down, take it apart and give it a good service, and we'll see if we can get it running, which I'm pretty confident 99.99% we will. So stick around and we'll show you how to fix it. Okay, so we're going to diagnose this dryer now. I'm going to see exactly what's wrong with this and get this running. So what you want to do is start by undoing all these screws. Okay, so now it's easier to get the back plate off. A lot of people take it off just like that, but you want to do the bolt here. It makes everything a lot easier. The heater element just slides out. Little clip here. Now what you want to do is you want to lift it up. And I normally don't do that, but I actually forgot one screw. Now, she said it's got a really bad grinding sound to it, and I can already see the problems. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to pause it and I'm going to zoom in for you to show you the problem. So as you can see, I already had a feeling it'll be this. So there's the belt. You don't worry about the belt. That's really seized on that. Now these grind out a lot, these things. They are absolutely crap. I've got another one here oiled up. But if we come into my shed, well, as you can see, there's a lot of dryers. So they're all pre-brought, pre-fixed. They're all ready to go. But I have plenty of these belt kits. Now, if you have a dryer and you're hearing a humming noise, like when you start it up and it wants to spin and you're hearing a like a hum, it's going to be a capacitor. And that will go into the motor, and I'll show you exactly where that goes right now. Now, obviously these ones here, these silver ones here, they never break. They are absolutely fantastic, those things. We've got the new pulley here, greased up. I'm going to put the new pulley on, tighten up the belt. Now the main thing is you want to line the drum up, so I'm going to put this back on the GoPro and I'm going to show you how to line the belt up. Okay, so to line the belt up is pretty easy. Once you've got that all in place, you want to push the drum down and you want to turn it until it's lined up. And if it's not lined up, you'll notice because it'll start hanging off. You just got to keep on wiggling the belt up until it's fully lined up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get the air duster. I'm going to blow all the lint out of that and get ready to put that back together. So one moment please. So that's all cleaned out. Now what we want to do is we want to put everything back together. Cord, everything's lined up. You want to double check everything, all your bolts, your springs, all that are in place. And you want to start by putting the screws back in. Very tight. Always double check everything, your screws, your bolts, the heater element. You just want to double check your heater element, make sure there's no burnt parts there or anything like that. That's perfect. Connect that, you put your 2 screws in. These are very simple to work on. You want to grab your bolt, washer, stick that into place. Now you don't want to go obviously too tight with them. I've already checked the washer and the bearings. The bearings is perfect. It's pretty much brand new. It is pretty much brand new dryer. And you just want to do that hand tight. The back plate will go on. Now by right, that should work. So what we'll do, we'll stand this dryer up now and we'll plug it in. And now you want to hear, we're going to put it on a time dry just to make sure the heater element works, 30 minutes. And once you press play, that should automatically run. Now while that's running, I'm going to go grab some warranty stickers. Now with all my repairs, I put these tamper-proof warranty stickers on there so I know no one's going to scam me again, because I do get quite a bit of people that switch out parts on me. So I just cover all the main parts, the front motherboard, the back plate. So if someone decides to take this apart, it leaves a mark and I'll know if they've opened it. Yep, that's heating up perfectly. So what we're going to do, I'm going to take this off the GoPro for a minute. So that is heating up absolutely beautiful, as you can see in there. Now, as I said before with the capacitors, if you've got a dryer like this or similar dryer, any kind of dryer, and it's making a hum noise like it wants to spin, the way to check that is if it's making a hum noise, there's like a little sensor here on these kind, or there's a little sensor there on the Fisher and Paykel. You want to push those little sensors in or push this one up, press play, and then spin the drum manually. If the drum spins after you do it manually, it's going to be a capacitor problem. So if you find my video helpful, give this one a thumbs up. And I pretty much do this for a living, so if you need any help, just let me know. And until next time, I am the Australian Kanga, and hopefully you subscribe. And yeah, that's ready to be sold. So all up, I paid $50 for the dryer. I'll list it for about $150, and with trade-in, so someone can offer me their old dryer, and that would come down to about $120 with trade.